all markets change, and the job market is no different. And to find the type of talent that truly changes companies, you need to adjust your strategy for each kind of market. The market is shifting from a candidate-driven market where, hey, you thought maybe I need to wear a sandwich board on an overpass on the 5 to get candidates' attention, to an employer-driven market where you could see a flood of resumes that's going to think you're August in the Okefenokee Swamp. Well, to win an employer-driven market, the first thing you need is to understand what is truly happening in the market. Which great companies, whether because of Medicare, overhiring, or loss of a contract, are laying off their employees and making a major RIF. In those circumstances, there are often really great people who, because of geography, duplicity, or just simply being let go, you need to know about it ahead of time so you can snap up those great winners. Second, you need to be able to tell a great story about your company. Bolster up how your company's growth is strong, why it has financial stability, and what the opportunities truly are. At-risk companies, they still have some great employees, but they're nervous about their ship. Therefore, you need to make sure your company looks like a strong vessel, absent of those leaky holes they're seeing in theirs. Now, third, you need to be able to sift through the sand. In a candidate-driven market, you may have wondered, hey, is this apply now button even working? But in an employer-driven market, you probably started to receive hundreds of applications. In that pile of applications, there are a couple diamonds. So you have to have a system, a process, and the resources to be able to sift through all of that sand, those hundreds of applications, in order to find that great diamond. The kind of employees who can change your culture and your trajectory. Now, if you have those resources to execute, to win in this market, great. But if you don't, and you need some support, give us a call. We'll be happy to help, because our mission is to improve lives by uniting great people with great companies.